Welcome to TWIN BUSCH Germany, your competent specialist since 1997 in professional vehicle workshop equipment. With a corporate headquarters in Germany and 9 other branches in 7 countries, as well as over 40 sales partners worldwide, we are one of the leading manufacturers of vehicle lifts, tire balancers, and tire mounting machines. Hello, I am going to show you how to commission your TWIN BUSCH X-610 tire changer. Use a conveying vehicle to move your machine. For the assembly you need a sharp knife, a hammer and a rubber hammer, a socket box, a set of open-end wrenches, a set of Allen keys, a flat screwdriver and a cutting plier. Open the package with a sharp knife. Remove the wooden panels with a hammer. Now let's take a look at the delivered parts. Check to make sure that all parts are accounted for. Before you continue, please read the instruction manual. Remove the nuts that hold the mounting arm with a size 17 socket. It is easier to remove the washer using a flat tip screwdriver. Lay the nuts and washers to the side. Remove the transport security with a size 13 socket. Lift the mounting arm to the right position. Reinstall the washers and nuts. Tighten the nuts using a size 17 socket. Lay the hood, spring and cover to the side. Remove the transport security from the mounting arm with an Allen key size 8. This screw is no longer needed. Move the mounting arm to the highest adjustment position, so that you can install the spring. Install the spring. Mount the cover with the new screw using a size 8 Allen key. Mount the protective cover. Mount the adjusting screw to adjust the rim diameter. Now mount the tire filler. Loosen the connector on the tire filler and mount the hose. Afterwards, tighten the connector. Repeat this at the bottom. Mount the protective cover for the bead breaker. Use a rubber hammer if needed. Mount the ring which is used to hold the tire mounting paste. Here you see the large plastic glides. They are installed as shown. Here you see the small plastic glides. They are installed as shown. The rim protectors can be mounted if needed. Press the protector on the arm. Use a size 10 socket to disconnect the machine from the pallet. Secure the mounting arm when lifting. With this, the commissioning of your X-610 is complete. Connect the machine to the air supply. Place a rim with the diameter you want on the machine. If later you work with rims that have a significantly smaller diameter, we recommend a corresponding readjustment. Guide the mounting head to the rim. The large glider should rest smoothly on the rim during operation. If this is not the case, loosen the screws to align the head exactly. If the glider rests flat on the rim, first fix the position with the side grub screw to prevent accidental adjustment. Then tighten the lower hexagon screw. Finally, the two front grub screws are tightened, so that the set angle is finally fixed. Replacing the plastic glides. To change the gliders you need a hammer and a flat screwdriver. Remove the plastic glides with the screwdriver. Remove the small plastic slider. Here we see the two replacement gliders. The plastic glides can be simply tapped in place. Hold the glider in the position it should be hit, and hit him with the hammer. Finished. The air pressure unit consists of the air supply, pressure regulator, oil atomizer, regulator for the oil atomizer, condensate separator, pressure indicator, and the oil tank. The condensate separator can be removed and cleaned. Please disconnect the machine from the air supply before you do this. The same thing with the oil tank. When the oil is used up, remove the tank and fill with air pressure oil or WD-40. With the regulator for the oil atomizer, you can regulate the amount of oil you put into the system. This oil is used to lubricate the components of the pneumatic system. To adjust the pressure, connect the machine. If the pressure is above 10 bar, open the regulator until the system reaches 10 bar. And if you should be near one of our branches, please pay us a visit. We are looking forward to see you.